Hello everyone, welcome to TheFitKitchen. In today's video, I come up with a very simple recipe called egg omelette. Eggs are high in protein and good minerals for your hair, for your skin or for your entire body. So before start the cooking, I would like to request all of my friends, please subscribe my channel TheFitKitchen so that you can connect with me and try my recipes and share your experience on this, guys. So thank you for your support, guys. Let's start the cooking. Yeah guys, for this omelette we need 2 whole egg and 1 onion, little bit of carrot, then coriander leaves, 1 green chili, pepper powder, little bit of oil, any oil you can use, coconut or olive oil, and little bit of salt. So these are the ingredients, guys. Yeah guys, let's start. First you have to crack the eggs. Then take the onion. Next, carrot. Based on your choice, you can take vegetables. You can take tomato, capsicum also. Then add the green chili. And this coriander leaves. Now take little bit of salt based on your taste, how much you want. Now mix it properly. Now you have to whisk it out. Mix until all the vegetables and this egg. This is the easiest breakfast you can have in the morning. It is really healthy for every person, every individual, any age group, and especially those who are very health conscious, those who come from a gym. They can try every day this breakfast. If you eat every day egg, that is very plus bonus, like plus point. It's almost keep you full till lunchtime. Guys, once it is mixed, you get paste like this. So let's start the cooking. Okay, let it wait for pan to heat up. Take a little bit of oil. You can take olive oil also, guys, based on your oil consuming. You can let the pan heat up. Once it is hot, you can pour the egg mixture into the pan. The pan is hot now, so let's pour our sprinkle the pepper how much you want. So wait for another 5 to 10 minutes, guys. Let's wait. Check if it is cooked in the middle, because I want to flip it out. I want to flip the omelette. Yes, that's it. Now let it cook for another 1 minute. Guys, our omelette is ready. Let's time to serve. Bon appetit. See guys, delicious omelette is ready. You can try it with some of the fruits, banana or any of your choice like apple, grapes.